Google review is lying to you about the best place for lechon in Cebu.
Good afternoon! Welcome home to House of Lechon!
And the version here. Thank you.
And don't forget to try Filipino dessert. We have prawn potobong with bibingka. Freshly made and perfect any time of the day.
Ooh.
And this is our lechon area.
Yeah, it's gonna be crispy lechon. Ano nga name mo?
RJ, sir.
Okay. So we're going to our table now. Look at that. Very nice ambiance. Sitting here. This is their lechon menu.
Guys namin is bestseller is we have our gising-gising.
Oh, sige. I'll have that.
So you have one gising-gising, sir.
Oo.
And sir, by the way, I'm Sarah, siya server for today. For gising-gising, may shrimp paste po yan. Do you have any allergies?
No. Dito sa soup, ano kaya mas masarap? Kasi maglelechon ako siguro. Yung maliit lang. Sige, 1.8 lang siguro. Kasi I'll try Chero.
Puchero. It's not like yung parang sinabaw na puchero, sir. It's like, one lang puchero. Parang sizzling. Sir, if you want some soup, sir, for these three, so we have our sinigang. And for the all of it naman po is yung we have our dinogas. Or the bloody soup.
Ah. Bisaya soup. Ito shrimp ito.
Kung pa yan, sir? Yes, may dalawang shrimp.
May dalawang shrimp. Ang
We call
dinuguan,
it utan bisaya, sir.
ang dinuguan may laman loob, bituka or
Kung
what?
pa yan, ma'am, sir, lamang loob talaga yan.
O sige, I'll have that. Nagpa ako mag-dessert later. Siguro yun na lang muna. Kasi the different lechon sauce.
Thank you for waiting. Here's our 1/8 regular lechon.
Sa
Here's our bloody soup. Or the dinuguan. Also our hanging rice. With the soup.
so,
And our morning glory soup.
ayun. Look at that. Salad we ordered and then later we're gonna have the
Sir, by the way, let me inform you po. Yung sauce na lechon, sir, is katas na lechon po yan. Kaya medyo siya maalat. That's why we call it high blood sauce.
kaya pala.
And if you want to less the saltiness, sir, just add na lang po vinegar.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ano ito, Cyrus?
This one, sir, is like 2-in-1 condiments. We have our classic vinegar, which is regular vinegar, sir, and soy sauce.
Parang vinaigrette.
Yes, our homemade cinnamon.
Awesome. Right, thanks, Cyrus. Kaya yung vegetable, meron siyang pag-uwan. May siyang parang mocktail. So, masarap ang lasa nito. Yung sauce nila, yun nga sabi ni Cyrus. Ano siya, yung katas ng lechon. So, okay siya rubber. Ang gusto nila ibang kulay. Unlike the other ones na light colored. At saka ito, it's warm. Yung iba kasi hindi na talaga nila iniinit.
One more. One.
Sir Lechon.
Okay, walk this way.
I ordered only 1A. You know, big size. Still have the dinuguan.
Okay.
And later on, I'm gonna have dessert. Yeah, ayoko na siya. And also, of course, rice is only one. So this is easy to open kasi they have this cut already right there. I saw it. Thanks, Iris. Very attentive sila sa mga customers. Talagang they try to please. Ganda talaga. So, if you're looking at going to a little place where it's good, I think this is the best. And it's not only the food, but the service. Diba? Kadalasan yung service matters. At saka siyempre, yung pa-ambiance niya, maganda, diba? Kasi I want to get the most of the rice from here. Yung dinuguan nila, mga laman loob. So it's really good. You look take you this one. Meron din siyang sili. I already mixed the sili. Dapat pala iniwalay ko. Vinegar is perfect. Kaagaw yung saltiness na and yung sour. Of course, the one's supposed to be sour, right? Masarap yung lechon nila rito. Sabi nga, it doesn't need to have sauce dahil nga yung flavor ng lechon. Just looking at this skin, iba kasi doon sa sinerve sa akin sa CNT. Talagang to the point na makungat na siya. Talagang really crispy. Talagang masasatisfy ka. Para bang yung glass na nadudurog when you bite on it. Walang matitira. You can make your own sauce. You can use your own sauce. Ito, yung baga when you eat steak, di ba? Yung or juice, yung juice ng steak. Ito naman yung juice ng lechon. The flavor of lechon is so delicious. So sa dalawa na tikman or tatlo na tikman ko, yung vegetables, yung dinuguan, and then itong lechon. They're all delicious. Grabe. Sulit talaga. You know how when you go to a place and you don't even look at the prices? Ganun you don't really expect something cheap, di ba? So yung vegetables na kangkong, garlic kangkong with baguette, siya tsaka marami. The garlic kangkong reminded me of the garlic kangkong at Lechon House. Pati yung taste niya, similar. Sarap po. Malamang hindi ko maubos yung dinuguan. Iba yung dinuguan nila talaga. Nag-aagaw yung...
Sir, by the way, how's that? How's our food?
Ang sarap. Lahat talaga. I'm very pleased.
Around 2.
Hindi mo na siguro. Ito siguro I won't be able to finish it. Siguro papabalot ko na lang ito later.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
We can do that, sir. Thank you.
Thanks, Alice. Hindi dinuguan actually. Pero ano talaga masarap. Saka yung puso nila, katulad na kain kong puso. Na yun nga nakalagay sa ito, dense siya, pero it's not really like parang suman na dense. May moist din siya. And that's what makes it different. And what makes it more delicious. Kasi if you try puso, doon sa nakalagay sa yellow leaves, iba ang texture. It's too dense. Kala ko ganun lahat talaga ng puso. I think I'm going to have to walk this out later. I think even the vegetables I won't be able to finish that. So pwede yan. Kasi I'm also preserving the rest for later. I'm gonna have coffee and maybe even have dessert. Nabigla ako ng bibingka. I love bibingka. Sarap na sila. Itong part na ito medyo malambot na ito. Pero at least, unlike the earlier ones, this is still different. Crunch pa rin tayo. Actually, it's soft. Pero when you chew, nagka-crunch pa rin siya. Sarap na chong ng dinuguan. It's very rare na you get to eat dinuguan with the laman loob. Kasi karamihan puro baboy lang. Grabe, busog na. Siguro kalahati lang yung kumakain ko ngayon. I don't know about their other location. Pero itong sa Mecca siya. Sa business district. Maganda. Service then beyond. Siliw. So I put a little bit of vinegar in my dinuguan. Kaya lang siyempre, iba pagka niluto yung vinegar, mas masarap. I can't eat anymore. Grabe. That's it for me. Ipapahati ko sa kanya yung bibingka, portion lang. Don't wanna overindulge. Pahinga muna. Gusto ko na yung bibingka. I don't know if I'm gonna have coffee here. I don't know if they have it or maybe they have hot chocolate. Diba?
Ah, yeah. Thank you.
Salamat.
Their hot chocolate. Yeah, so yung hot chocolate nila iba kasi sa
Yeah, the hot chocolates. It's really good. That's a good compliment to the bibingka later.
Your bibingka, sir.
nice. Thank you. So yung special bibingka, right?
Yes po, sir.
May yung cheese niya. Walang cheese.
Ayun.
Ito, may salted egg that's makes it special. Is this margarine.
They actually cook it there. I'm used to having like hot chocolate or coffee whenever I have kanin or the desserts like this. Yung sugar niya parang panutsa din. It's delicious. It's moist. I don't think I can finish this. Sinati ko na. May salted egg niya right there. Pabalot ko na lang din siguro. It's actually not very far from my place. I can definitely come back here. The only thing with that chocolate compared to Cafe Americano, I don't have control about the sweetness. Dessert's already sweet, right? So, ito medyo sweet pa rin para sa akin. But you can still taste the bitterness of the cocoa. Sarap yun. Ano? Yung salted egg right here. Last bite.
And the last bite.
I'm done. Ito na lang. Hindi ko ito maiwi. Tapos. I'm gonna take home. Maybe later. I don't know. I'm not sure. Or tomorrow I'll finish it. So yun lang. Again, House of Lechon. Amazing. Babush.
So this is all that I ate here at House of Lechon. I'm very satisfied. And I'm definitely gonna go back here for maybe twice more. So it has gotten busy. It's getting late now. So you'll see a lot of Koreans here. A lot of foreigners. And this is where the magic happens, where the puto bumbong and bibingka. This is where they made my dessert. And I'm glad I came here a little bit earlier. So from here, going to Ayala Mall is right there, where you can see the metro. Puno na yung House of Lechon. I'm glad that I was able to come earlier.